I want us to learn about how to cultivate emotional literacy in children. This is your presenter, Professor Kibet. Cultivating emotional literacy in students is a valuable endeavor that can help them develop essential life skills, improve their relationships, and enhance their overall well-being. Emotional literacy involves recognizing, understanding, expressing, and managing emotions effectively. Remember that cultivating emotional literacy is an ongoing process. It is essential to be patient and provide continuous support to help students develop these vital life skills. Additionally, consider integrating emotional literacy into various subjects and activities to make it a natural part of their educational experience. In the following section, I want to present the strategies for promoting emotional literacy in students. Number 1, model emotional intelligence. As an educator, it is essential to model emotional intelligence yourself. Demonstrate how to express and manage your emotions in an healthy and constructive manner. This helps students learn by example. Point number 2, emotional recognition. Teach students to recognize and label their emotions accurately. Use activities, games, and discussions to help them identify various emotions in themselves and others. You can use emotional guides, visual expression, or stories to illustrate emotions. Point number 3, emotion vocabulary. Build an emotional vocabulary by introducing them to a wide range of emotion words. Encourage them to express how they feel using specific terms rather than saying good or bad. Point number 4, empathy development. Help students develop empathy by teaching them to understand and appreciate the feelings of others. Engage in activities that encourage perspective taking, such as role-playing or discussing how different situations might make people feel. Point number 5, active listening. Teach active listening skills, which involve giving their full attention to someone speaking, asking clarifying questions, and validating the speaker's emotions. This helps students become more attuned to the emotions of others. Point number 6, problem solving. Guide students in using their emotional intelligence to solve conflicts and problems. Encourage them to identify the emotions involved in a conflict, brainstorm solutions, and consider the emotional impact of those situations. Point number 7, mindfulness and self-awareness. Introduce mindfulness practices to help students become more self-aware. Mindfulness exercises can help them observe their thoughts and emotions without judgment. Point number 8, journaling. Journaling encourages students to keep emotional journals where they can record their feelings and thoughts regularly. This can help them gain insight into their emotions and track their emotional growth over time. Point number 9, storytelling and literature. Share stories, books, and movies that explore complex emotions and character development. Discuss these narratives to students to help students understand how emotion drive character, motivations, and plot. Point number 10, classroom atmosphere. Create a safe and supportive classroom environment where students feel comfortable expressing their emotions without fear of judgment. Encourage open dialogue about emotions and challenges. Point number 11, conflict resolution skills. Teach students effective conflict resolution skills, emphasizing the importance of using empathy, active listening, and communications to resolve disputes. Point number 12, social and emotional learning, SEL programs. Consider implementing SEL programs or curricula that are designed to teach emotions, literacy, and social skills. These programs often provide structured lessons and activities for different age groups. Point number 13, family involvement. Encourage parents and caregivers to reinforce emotional literacy at home. Share resources and strategies with families to ensure a consistent approach. Point number 13, assessment and feedback. Regularly assess students' emotional literacy and provide constructive feedback. Use self-assessment tools and peer evaluations to help students evaluate their emotional skills. And finally, celebrate emotional growth. Yes, celebrate emotional growth. Recognize and celebrate students' progress in developing emotional literacy. Acknowledge their efforts and successes in understanding and managing their emotions. So we've come to the end of that presentation where we have looked at different strategies of promoting students' emotional literacy. If you like this video, kindly subscribe. You can like or even share it to your friend. You can join as a member to actually enjoy exclusive videos if you become a member by just subscribing by paying $2. You become a member and you can get some exclusive privileges and benefits. Thank you.